Right. If you've gone up there, if you're a professor and you've lectured for 50 minutes that day and you've provided a bunch of information and they've written it all down, in theory, you've done your job.
Right.
But I went through an entire 4-year education that was probably about 80% that.
Yeah.
And I don't remember, or I didn't implement or integrate almost anything from those years.
Yeah.
And if I haven't implemented or integrated or done anything, if it hasn't enriched my life in some way, then why does it have value?
Absolutely.
Information without a purpose is just facts. And that doesn't really help us to make this world a better place.
I agree.